Hey everybody, I got a little project here ahead of me. I'm working on a Cadillac today. Somebody come and found me, knew that I did stereo, gave me some amplifiers here to work on. From what I can see, this one over here burn up in the corner over here, one of the outputs back in there. I know it's a legacy, I know it's pyramid, but hey, I might be able to fix it. If not, here's another little oldie here. Profile. Everybody remembers these joints. Yeah, that's right. It's a mono blocker. And it's filthy too, man. It's nasty looking. Look, bass boost cranked all the way up. Gain maxed out. I wonder why the stuff blew. Look at this one here. Bass boost maxed out. High pass maxed out. Maxed everything out, man. Got a sub amp. Why you got maxed out the damn high pass for sub? Another profile. 400 watt. There you go again. Everything maxed out. These all came from the same guy. Came from somebody I know. Maxed out. Bass boost. Frequencies up to 500 hertz. Just maxed out, dude. Damn, dude. But I'm gonna take them apart and I'll show you the guts inside of them. See what's messed up with them. Have to clean them up too, man. Well, a couple of them nasty looking. This one missing a screw. It's all bent up. Oh. See what's inside of them. This is a nice size amp though for profile. Not too bad. 3 20 amp fuses. It's about 600 watt amp then. Let me get them open so I can show you in the next video.